Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to convert your text into speech using a completely free tool. No credit card, no watermark, and no sign-up required. Now, I know tools like ElevenLabs, Murf.ai, and Speechelo offer great voice quality, but let's be honest, not everyone can afford their premium versions. That's why I went searching and found a tool that gives you realistic AI voices for absolutely free. So if you're a content creator, student, or just someone looking for a free voiceover solution, make sure you stick around till the end. You don't want to miss this. But before we jump into it, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and keeps this content going. All right, let's get into the main part of the video. First, open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer and search for Audio Joiner. Click on the link that looks like this. It should take you straight to the home page. Good news, no sign-up is required, so you can start using it right away. The site has several features, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on just one, the text-to-speech tool. To access it, click on the Video tab at the top, and from the pop-up list, select the text-to-speech option. Now, click on the blue button that says Create Project. This will take you to the workspace where we'll do all the magic. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. Here in the text area, we're going to paste the content we want to convert into speech. But for this tutorial, I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a quick story for me. Once it's generated, I'll copy it and paste it right into the text box. Next, we'll select the language we want the audio to be in. Then choose a voice from the list. You can preview each one before deciding for this video. I'm sticking with the first voice option. You also have the ability to adjust the pitch and speed of the voice to match your style. Non-linear, but I'm going to keep everything at the default settings for now. Click Preview to hear how your text will sound. If it doesn't sound quite right, feel free to tweak the voice settings until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with it, click on Add to generate the final audio. And just like that, here's our generated voiceover.
In the heart of a quiet village stood a massive ancient tree, its trunk wide enough to hide 3 children behind, and its branches stretched like arms toward the sky. The villagers called it the Whispering Tree because on windy nights it seemed to speak. No one knew what it said until 10-year-old Kofi came along.
To download it, click on the Export button. Before saving, hit the settings icon to choose your preferred audio quality. I'll leave mine at default. Finally, click on Export, then Save, and your audio will be downloaded straight to your device, allied ready for use in your video or project. And that's how you turn your text into speech completely free. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.